अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ एमसीक्यूज़ के पार्ट 7 को डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने इससे पहले वाले पार्ट्स नहीं देखे तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए आज की एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द इस्लामिक रूलिंग ऑन इंटरेस्ट रिबा? ऑप्शन ए रिकमेंडेड, ऑप्शन बी परमिसिबल अंडर सर्टेन कंडीशंस, ऑप्शन सी स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड, ऑप्शन डी डिसलाइक्ड बट अलाउड। The correct answer is option C, strictly prohibited. Riba interest is forbidden in Quran and is considered a major sin in Islam. Question number 2 is, how many times do Muslims pray in a day? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The correct answer is option D 5. Muslims are obligated to pray 5 times a day: Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. Question number 3 is, what is the name of the Prophet's daughter who was married to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu? Option A Aisha radiyallahu anha, option B Hafsa radiyallahu anha, option C Ruqayya, option D Fatima. The correct answer is option D Fatima radiyallahu anha. Fatima radiyallahu anha, the beloved daughter of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was married to Ali ibn Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu and is the mother of Hassan and Hussein radiyallahu anhu. Question number 4 is, what is the name of the night journey of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to the heavens? Option A Hijra, option B Bukhari Hira, option C Isra and Miraj, option D Fateh Makkah. The correct answer is option C Isra and Miraj. The Isra refer to the Prophet's night journey from Makkah to Jerusalem, and Miraj is his ascension to the heavens. Question number 5 is, what is the ruling of intentionally missing Salah without a valid excuse? Option A minor sin, option B forbidden but excusable, option C major sin, option D recommended to make up later. The correct answer is option C major sin. Intentionally missing Salah is a major sin in Islam. Some scholars consider it an act of disbelief if done out of denial. Question number 6 is, who was the youngest person to accept Islam? Option A Zaid ibn Haris, option B Ali ibn Abi Talib, option C Abu Bakr, option D Umar ibn al-Khattab. The correct answer is option B Ali ibn Abi Talib. Ali radiallahu anha, the cousin of Prophet, was the first child to accept Islam. He was only about 10 years old at that time. Question number 7 is, what does shirk mean in Islam? Option A obedience, option B hypocrisy, option C associating partners with Allah, option D ignorance. The correct answer is option C associating partner with Allah. Question number 8 is, how many verses are in the Quran? Option A 500, option B 6666, option C 7776. The correct answer is option B 6666. The total number of verses ayat in Quran is traditionally stated as 6666, although the exact number can be very slightly due to method of verse division. Question number 9 is, what is the name of the Islamic system of inheritance? Option A fiqh, option B sharia, option B mawarith, option D waqf. The correct answer is option C mawarith. Mawarith refer to the Islamic rules of inheritance detailed in Quran, especially Surah An-Nisa, ensuring fair distribution among heirs. Last question is, which angel is responsible for bringing revelation to the Prophet? Option A Israfil, option B Mikael, option C Jibrail, option D Israel. The correct answer is option C Jibrail. Angel Jibrail is the messenger who brought down revelation from Allah to the Prophet, including the Quran, to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस तरह के मजीद MCQs के लिए आप हमारी वेबसाइट mymcqs.net विजिट कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।